Geil gemacht! Hey, danke. Wir müssen nachfrisieren bald. Ja, scheiß drauf. Scheiß drauf. Pizzu. Pizzu.
Thank you for protecting me in San Celeste. I hope I didn't get you in trouble.
Hey, Caruso! Luca's looking for you up at the tables.
Tell him I'll be over soon.
Why don't you send him a little note?
What? Was hat er da eigentlich für einen Brief? Bin nicht recht rausgekommen.
You're curious, Enzo. Meet me in the garden if you want to talk again. Don't worry, I won't tell.
Die ist Trouble, ich sag so. Ehe du dich versiehst, stehst du da mit heruntergelassenen Hosen. Und ich meine nicht auf die gute Art, ja.
Ja, 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 ja. Aha, aha.
Und das ist Main Quest. Luca, aber wir gehen jetzt noch die Isabella treffen, Chat. So viel steht fest.
Cheer up, Samuel.
Oh, da ist es eine Falle.
Father thought you'd enjoy this. You want me to tell Signore
Das ist eine Falle, Chat.
How is it looking?
Nearly there. More scams made their way in than we would have liked. We'll have to sift through to be safe.
Here comes trouble. Wieso so schick? Herr Rizzler. Ja, Cosplay, weißt du, dass es du kannst, kann ich schon lange. Ist das dein Talent?
I
Ja.
was not sure you could read.
Wenigstens etwas.
You took the chance.
I did.
Why did you write to me?
Why did you?
I wanted to say I'm sorry. About the fight. It should never have happened.
You are right.
See. It's just,
What is it?
maybe it's not a good idea. Us meeting like that. Like this. People might talk.
And what would they say?
I have to be careful. And work hard. Your father is who he is.
And who are you, Enzo? Does my father already control your life? I'm sorry.
Hey. What are you doing?
Looking for Luca.
How is he here? Sticking around where you don't belong will be the last thing you do. Capisti? Your father,
Genau das hat er gemeint, oder?
and you're not a paisana dragged up outside. Put on your shoes.
Ja, schade, oder? Schade. Rendezvous. Ja, es ist so... Wollen, aber nicht dürfen, oder? Da hat's noch etwas. Da sehe ich es schon. Oh. gehen wir die Nase gleich überall reinstecken, wo man nicht sollte, oder? Wird da einer verprügelt? Nein. Da sind wir schon mal drin gewesen, das ist einfach von der anderen Seite easy. Schau da. So macht man übrigens auch Coca. Coca. Geil, hey. Es ist so gut. Das Game, ich finde es so schön. Es ist so geil.
Hey, Enzo! Will you join us?
Thanks.
Tja.
You know her father's a lawyer.
So? There's no law against fucking.
Oh, I mean, she's smart. She'll run a mile as soon as you open your mouth.
Johnny.
Oh, the finest horseman in all of Sicily.
This is who we are waiting for. Eta madre, we're riding out with the shit shovelers now.
Hey, Enzo stepping up saved your uncle's pride and you from a serious beating. He earned himself a change of scenery. If he wants it.
Where are you going?
Don Torrisi looks out for people around here. Make sure they are protected from misfortune. That security comes with a price, of course, so we're going to collect what we are owed.
So what do you need me for?
Well, sometimes the client is feeling less than cooperative and we need to,
Teach them a lesson.
Eine Lektion erteilen.
An extra pair of hands helps jog their memory. But don't worry. You keep your eyes open and listen.
Besides, what else you got to do? Come on, time is money.
Listen to this Ukatsaru barking orders. Yeah.
Wer gehen wir gehopst? Ja, das sehen wir jetzt dann gerade. Jetzt muss ich aufs Pferdli steigen. Und dann gehen wir ein paar Neise die Schnur hauen. Ja? Vermutlich. Wir müssen so Geld eintreiben. Wandern sind wir auch nicht. 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 Leere Versprechungen. Ja.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Do you make these visits often?
Reite mit Luca und Cesare.
Likes to call in on his clients every now and then.
Every fucking week.
All right. I'm around for whatever you need.
Seht, die haben alle ein weißes Hemd da und eine
Tell me what
Weste.
to do.
So habe ich mich
You hear
angekleidet.
that, Cesare?
Nur ich habe
That's
keins.
what the work ethic sounds like.
Ever had to get physical with anyone, Caruso? Must have got
Caruso.
rough down in the pit.
I had my own.
There is more than lonely miners to fend off out here. You think you can step up?
Now stop acting
Yeah,
tough,
yeah.
Cesare. It doesn't suit you.
He's unproven. This is a man's work.
Oh yeah? Then I should have left you at home.
Who do you protect the people from for this money?
There are thieves and bandits all through the hills. They prey on everybody. And the law, the guardie, don't help.
They're just as bad bandits.
Life is tough out here, Enzo. And so, people turn to the Don when they are in need. He just asks
Jetzt
for
kommt da
something
ein Auto.
to dip his beak, you might say. A little
Das hat einfach
taste.
langsam, Ross, oder?
We've got to make a quick stop up ahead. There's an olive farmer we need to see.
This is our first collection?
That's right. But this should be straightforward. The farmer, he rents land from Don Torrisi. He makes
Das
good
ist so
money,
geil da. ey.
always pays on time. Just watch and learn. Here we are.
Watch and learn.
This won't take a minute.
Wir watchen und lernen.
Signore Trapani, it's good to see you. Salutami. Grazie.
Grazie. Oh, das schreit er so. Attenzione! Vermehrte Bandenaktivitäten in unserer Gemeinde. Erst kürzlich wurde Signore Dolfinis Pflug gestohlen und Signor Nivoli mit vorgehaltener Waffe ausgeraubt. Bitte stellen Sie sicher, dass Sie jeden Abend alle Wertsachen wegschließen, bevor Sie zu Bett gehen. Vermeiden Sie nächtliche Reisen, insbesondere wenn Sie alleine sind. Bleiben Sie wachsam. Achten Sie auf Ihre Nachbarn. Melden Sie alles Verdächtige dem Consiglio Comunale, der die Guardi informiert. Okay.
Signor Trapani is here to see you.
You think the king of Italy was
Trapani.
Sta muto. These are the Don's tenants. They give us no trouble. You should appreciate things being seen.
Komm, jetzt bring die Dinari an.
As always.
Marco, I trust you're well.
I'm old. Everything hurts. And my son prefers the bottle to the rake. But who can complain?
You need to shake some sense into him. A man your age shouldn't work like you do. Aside from the aches and pains, how's business?
Olives grow, and we make money. Speaking of which,
And no trouble?
who would bother us? This is the Don's land.
Well, you know where I am.
Of course. Please, give my regards to Don Torrisi.
I will. Cesare, Enzo, let's go. We have more stops to make.
Wir gehen. Machen wir dann nochmal einen und der dritte ist dann, also dort gibt es Action. Vielleicht auch schon beim zweiten. Sie warten so, bis ich zuerst aufgestiegen bin.
Are you crazy in the head?
As you said,
Are you crazy in the head?
Rented land from the Don for many years. We provide protection for his family and his life. So yes, there's trust.
they respect you.
Don't flatter him. It's the Don that they respect. And this land they're leeching off.
They understand our business. They pay for a service, and in return sleep easy at night.
I've been thinking. We should use a car for collections.
There's nothing wrong with horses.
Farmers ride horses. A car shows women business. That we're a cut above.
You want to take a car down these tracks? You won't make much of an impression getting towed out of a ditch.
You know your
Das
problem?
stimmt halt.
Always expecting the worst. I drive this collection at the time and have you back in time for lunch and a little nap with Valentina.
It's not about the speed, Cesare. We don't need the attention. Okay, next stop's going to be a farm. They produce lemons, and the owner's late on his payments.
Finally, we get to have a little fun.
Follow my lead. Both of you. It shouldn't be too much trouble.
Das wird easy. Nachher gehen wir zum nächsten und dann müssen wir schiessen, oder? Einer wird noch angeschossen von diesen zwei Boys da.
They look worried.
They know why we're here.
When we do business, people look the other way if they know what's good for them.
Da bist du so gesteuert, da kannst du nichts mehr.
Wait a minute. The farmer here. He has a son. In front of him, he's too proud to give up what he owes right away, but he always pays. So I give him a little back and forth.
This again.
So, what do we do?
We let him act tough in front of the boy.
And then we remind him of his obligations.
Yours is unloaded. You give him a chance to be brave. And then, you let him see it. That's it. Let's get this done.
Ich würde sagen, du musst sie vielleicht noch wegstecken zuerst.
Signora Fini.
Signore Trapani, what a pleasant surprise.
Come on now. I think we both know that this is no surprise. But we can make it pleasant, I hope.
Oh, what is this, Papa? Quiet. I have no need of Don Torrisi's services today. But please, take all the fruit you can carry as a token of my respect.
That's very kind. Perhaps
Hat
you
er
can
noch?
send those up to the estate. But I am here for the money you owe. As we have discussed before, the Don is always working on your behalf.
And as I have mentioned before, I have no need for protection.
Adversity can strike when you least expect it. I strongly advise you to pay what you owe.
Das ist eine gute Pose, die wir da haben. Ich kann irgendwie nicht
I
weiter
can
anstehen.
handle
Besser.
my own affairs.
Very well. Then I will leave you in the hands of my friend here.
Jetzt knocken wir zuerst den Sohn aus.
You're going to shoot me? Offer 100 lira?
I hope I don't have to.
Think about what you're doing here.
Just pay them, Papa. Your son.
You want to point that at someone? Point it at me!
The hero.
Pay what you owe, and nobody gets hurt.
All right, all right. There's money in the back room. Give me a minute to fetch it.
Don't go to any trouble.
Ziel immer noch!
Enzo will get it.
Du hast gefälligst immer noch Angst.
You get it then.
Okay, mit L1 kann ich dort... Wie nehme ich sie denn wieder führen? Hol das Gold! Das ist Red Dead Redemption Mafia Edition, ja. Genau.
There's a safe back here.
So, open it.
Bomben rein.
It's locked.
Also muss ein Knack. Tresore enthalten wertvolle Gegenstände. Halte in der Nähe von ihnen Ausschau nach Notizen oder Hinweisen, die dir ihre Kombination verraten.
Combination. What is it?
I don't know.
Ja, gerade da. Juli-Ausgaben, häuslich 4000 Lire, Löhne, blablabla. Diese Kosten geraten außer Kontrolle. Ja. Sicherheit 2000. Ja, ist halt ein bisschen teuer, hä?
Namazzari. What do I need to do with your memory?
Nothing. Nothing.
Romantisches Gedicht eines Bauern. 10, 20, 30. Das ist der Code, oder was? Wie eine Orange erleuchtest du lieblich, perfekt geformt. Eine Clementine, du bist so süß und friedlich. Deine Haut wie Samt so weich. Kein edles Obst dir jemals gleicht. Wie eine Zitrone erwächst du Neugier. Sauer, herb, nein. Denn das Paradies ist in dir. Das sag ich auch immer. Mögen Mandarinen verderben und Zedern nie reifen. Doch dich, meine Liebe, werde ich immer umwerben. 10, 20, 30. Ist ja hure offensichtlich. Aufruf zur Mitwirkung an die geschätzten Landwirte und Geschäftsleute von San Celeste und Umgebung. Als neu ernannter Kommandant des Corpo Reale di Polizia von San Celeste ist es meine vordringlichste Pflicht, die Sicherheit und den Wohlstand dieser Gemeinschaft zu gewährleisten. Die Plage des Banditentums, die unser Land so lange heimgesucht hat, muss ein Ende finden. Ihre harte Arbeit und ihre Existenz verdienen Schutz und ich bin entschlossen, diesen zu bieten. Machen wir das? Wer braucht da Polizei? Doch allein kann ich dieses Ziel nicht erreichen. Gerechtigkeit lebt von Zusammenarbeit. Ich rufe Sie daher auf, Verbrechen zu melden und jegliche Informationen über jene zu teilen, die unseren Frieden bedrohen. Seien Sie versichert, dass Ihre Identität geschützt bleibt. Ich verstehe, dass Angst und Misstrauen viele zum Schweigen gebracht haben. Doch Schweigen stärkt nur die Gesetzlosen. Gemeinsam können wir jene aufspüren, die unsere Traditionen zu ihrem eigenen Vorteil missbrauchen. Lassen Sie uns ein neues Kapitel für das Valle Dorata aufschlagen. Eines von Ordnung, Sicherheit und Vertrauen. Meine Tür steht Ihnen stets offen. Mit Entschlossenheit und Respekt. Major Ettore D'Amico, Kommandant des Corpo Reale di Polizia, San Celeste. Krasser Typ. 10, 20, 30, oder wie war das jetzt? Ich bin jetzt so angegangen. Aha, dann habe ich es nachher dort gehabt. Ist ja hure easy. Ui, Gott getroffen, zweimal. Dinari, 200 Dinari. Was hat es dort noch? Dort hat es noch mehr in dem Säckchen. Ich sehe es. Machen wir wieder zu. Gedicht schreiben kann ich auch. Meine Liebste, meine Rose. Wenn ich dich sehe, stecke ich die Hand in die Hose. Mhm.
Hey, I've got the
I
money.
see.
Are we up?
I got the money.
You got what you came for. Now get out of here.
So good to see you, as always. And thanks again for the fruit.
Please.
Danke für das
don't
Obst,
choke
Mann.
on it.
Ich kann jetzt mal noch einen Trouble machen. Trouble in Little Italy. Little Italy. Alter, bist du nicht am Schwitzen?
I know what
Es
you're going
geht.
to say.
Ich habe nur das
Got the
Hemd da.
money, didn't we? I didn't
Und eine
shoot
Weste.
anybody.
Und kurze Hosen.
You control yourself. When I apply pressure,
Und keine Socken. Also von dem her.
when you get loud, it's emotion.
Ist nur oben.
Learn the difference.
Aber ja, es ist schon warm.
Whatever you say.
Fired? Es läuft. Du bist am Boss, gell? Was hast du heute gezockt?
So, Caruso. You
Caruso.
prefer this to life in the mine?
What kind of question is that?
If you'd spent it underground, you wouldn't ask.
Ah, don't be so dramatic. It's no easy thing out here.
Drama.
Enough, Cesare. Our next stop is the quarry. The owner took a loan from the Don to finance his latest venture, but we haven't heard anything since. So,
Same as last time.
let's wait and see. The owner usually
Cyber.
pays on time. Something is not
Ja, das gibt. Das ist. Hier comes Trouble, oder?
Gabriella, was it?
Not this again.
Hey, how am I going to meet a girl to marry if I don't try a few out?
Dose wird ab.
What about you, Caruso?
Leg ich meine Hand in die Dose.
I heard that pig that was butchered for Isabella's name day has a sister.
You handled yourself well back there at the farm, Enzo. In our line of work, you have to know when to push and when to pull.
Would we have taken it further?
The trick is to skim the cream without breaking the bottom. Violence is only ever a last resort.
Ah, it's really not that complicated. Knock, knock. Crackheads, take the money.
And that's why
Knock
Cesare
knock,
Tango-
Greg, jetzt dig the money. Straight forward, oder? Bin immer noch krank. Bist ja Sendnut. Bist krank? Mich? Bist richtig? Ein bisschen einfach, oder? So ein bisschen verkiltet.
To us, citizen.
We're with Don
Ja,
Torrisi.
dann gute Besserung, aber ja. Und schon wieder.
Lazy bastardi are just standing around. Shouldn't they be hitting
Ja, nein,
rocks or
schafft
something?
mal nicht.
Let's find the owner and get to the bottom.
Der ist aber keine Schwefelmine, hä?
We can wait out here all day.
Stand aside. I need to speak with your boss.
No boss of mine in there.
All right then. How about you get out of the way before I put a pick through your skull?
Be my guest. Saves me breaking this door down.
Ja, er ist
You'll
auch hässig.
have
Er ist
that
auch geladen.
where our money is.
Verdammt.
Signore Vanaglio, open up.
Who is
Open up.
Luca Trapani.
Ist aber schnell aufgegangen jetzt, hä? Ja, du, wie ethisch auch, ja. Müssen wir schon mal noch geben.
The commotion. As you can see, matters have gotten out of hand.
What's going on out there?
I took on some men from Colezzolfo. Damn socialistas. They are on strike, if you can believe that.
You know Don Torrisi takes a dim view on strikes. What is their complaint?
A deal fell through. I don't get paid, they don't get paid. It's as simple as that.
We'll stamp this out before it takes hold. Who is the ringleader?
A stonecutter called Manuele. Big guy, loud mouth. You can't miss him.
Good to know. Enzo, let's go.
Let's go.
You come in here, hide away like a fucking coward, and wants us to break our backs? Well, if he doesn't get his hand in his pocket, he's gonna get my foot in his ass! What is this now?
Manuel, isn't it?
Do I know you?
No. But I know your employer and he's a friend of my boss. Don Torrisi.
Good for him.
We can't have strikes around here, Manuele. You and your friends need to get back to work. This is bad for everyone, bad for business.
Fuck your business.
There's no need to cause a scene. Just get back to work.
Der hat den
You're
frech.
going to make me.
My friend is going to take it from here.
If that's how you want it.
Er hat da das. Jetzt muss ich schon wieder knebeln.
To put away your blade in